I'm Sunny Xia, assistant conductor for the Seattle Symphony. Tanduan's Passacaglia, Secret of Wind and Birds, honors both mankind's ancient desire to communicate with nature and optimism for the future. When we recorded this piece at Benaroya Hall, audience participation was a big part of the performance. The audience was given pre-recorded sounds of birds on their phone. Isn't that fun? At the beginning of Tanduan's Passacaglia, Secret of Wind and Birds, I cued the audience when to start playing the clip. It is the one time as a conductor I've ever asked the audience to turn their cell phones on before a concert. The sound in the hall was amazing. Tanduan created these bird sounds using 6 traditional Chinese instruments: the guzheng, 唢呐, 二胡, 琵琶, 笛子, and sheng. Tanduan is a Chinese-born American composer and conductor, best known for composing the Academy Award-winning soundtrack for Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon.
My music is to dream without boundaries. Tonight, with you, I see boundaries being crossed.
In 2022, Tanduan was here at Benaroya Hall.
The most beautiful and the loudest sound can be only heard in silence.
He is such a fun composer and conductor to work with.
It could be like a 3 dB down, just a polka. 33, E, go!
Tanduan's style is very much rooted in nature, and that is apparent in much of his work. As you listen to this piece, notice how the orchestra emulates the sounds of birds, the wind, and the ocean. Enjoy Tanduan's Passacaglia, Secret of Wind and Birds.